Hey guys, Harmony Nelson here and welcome to Harmony with Pixels. This channel is your go-to-go spot for website development with WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or you are a pro, I have tips and tricks that will help you along your journey in WordPress. This series is the first I'm sharing online, and this series contains episodes packed with in-depth knowledge on building websites with WordPress. This series is aimed at full beginners, meaning you don't require an experience in coding or development to flow along the videos in this series. Now, this current episode is the first of this series, and in this episode, we'll dive into what a website is and how it actually works. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Before we dive into building amazing things in WordPress, it is key to first understand what a website is and how it works. In simple terms, a website is essentially a folder stored on a web server. This folder contains various files like HTML documents, CSS style sheets, JavaScript codes, and media files such as images, icons, and more. You don't need to worry about these terms just yet. It might seem a bit complex at first, but over time you will come to understand them and how they fit together. To explain how a website operates, think of it like a library. When you type a URL or a domain into a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, it's similar to walking into a library and asking a librarian for a specific book. In this scenario, the librarian represents the browser, which searches the web server, that is the library, for the requested content, that is the book. Once found, the browser retrieves these website files and displays them to the user, much like how a librarian would hand you the book you asked for. So every time you interact with the website, whether by clicking a button or following a link or submitting a form, the browser sends a request to the server, retrieves the necessary files, and displays the updated content. This communication between the user, the website, and the server is managed by the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP or HTTPS. The S in HTTPS stands for secure, meaning data being transferred is encrypted and safe. So, guys, that's basically how websites work. It might sound like a lot at first, but as we move forward, everything will start making more sense. Welcome back, guys. So, this is the end of this episode. In this episode, we dive into what a website is and how it works. In the next episode, we will look into web servers and domains. Guys, if you found this video resourceful, kindly like and subscribe and stay tuned for more series and more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.